We're here today to break ground on a project that has the potential to impact every person who travels our roadways, every law enforcement officer, highway worker, and emergency responder. This is a project that will make our roads safer. In 2019, troopers Christopher Lambert and Brooke Jones Story were struck and killed while doing their job. More recently, Trooper Clay Carnes was also struck and killed. These deaths and life-altering injuries ignited an effort about the need for traffic incident management training and having a facility to do so, the TIM track, where emergency responders train on responding to and clearing traffic incidents so that traffic flow can be restored as safely and as quickly as possible. The state-of-the-art TIM track we are breaking ground on today will replicate the complexity of real roadways and provide a safe, controlled environment to conduct scenario-based training.
You know, it's a really special thing when we can engage almost our entire agency in one effort, and that shows you how important this issue of safety is to us. This is an incredibly serious issue, and that is why we need a facility like this to make sure we're at our best in every possible permutation of working and using our highway system.
Through better training, better visibility, scene management, and better coordination, we can reduce our exposure to those risks. We can create safer work zones, we can anticipate hazards, and we can respond in ways that give ourselves and coworkers a greater margin for safety. This course is one of a kind in Illinois and only one of a handful across the country. When completed, it's going to be a state-of-the-art facility mirroring real-world conditions that highway workers and incident responders encounter. What we begin here today will save lives on roadways throughout our state.